Right, so atoms can interact and exchange electrons in different ways. One of them is through ionic bonding. So in ionic bonding, we have a transfer of electrons. So one atom is going to give up its electrons and the other one is going to take it. So for example, we have sodium with its 1 valence electron, chlorine with its 7 valence electrons. And so what can happen here, we can tell that sodium has 1 extra electron. And so if it can lose that electron, it'll have a filled outer shell, whereas sodium has 1 extra, chlorine is 1 short of a filled outer shell or an octet. So what can happen here is we can take this 1 electron and go ahead and give it to chlorine. And so let's think about what that looks like. What will end up there is then a sodium plus because it has now lost an electron. And then what we do is we put the chlorine in brackets and then the negative charge on the outside of the brackets. And then we put the chlorine in there with now its filled outer shell, 8 valence electrons and a -1 charge. Again, right, the sodium is positive because it just lost an electron. And the chlorine is negative because it just gained an electron.